to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to do a room tour at a different kind of hotel than we usually stay at. This is the Best Western Apalach Inn in Apalachicola, Florida. This is going to be the first motel-style hotel that we've stayed in, and it has exterior room entrances, which is a little unusual, but this hotel was highly rated, so we're going to do a quick tour of the hotel room. So this is the motel's pool area. It's a really nice pool, and as is pretty common with roadside motels, it's actually separate from the building. It's off across the parking lot. But it's a decent sized pool. It's clean. It's got some leaves in it. I guess nobody's been out here to clean it yet this morning. The water's clear. It's not green. We have some lounge chairs. Of course, nobody's going to be using the pool because it's late November. It's actually 42 degrees right now. So there's also a little deck area we're going to take a look at. So this is a nice little deck area here. There's a tree growing up right through it. Tree's kind of bare because it's winter time. We're getting into winter time, but a nice quiet place to sit out here. And maybe if you wanted to have dinner and not eat on a little coffee table in a hotel room, come out here and enjoy the fresh air. They even have a little barbecue pit out here right on the edge of a residential neighborhood, and the highway is behind me, but it's pretty quiet. It's not a very heavily traveled highway here. Let's take a look at the room. So we're going to tour room 119. As we come in, get a general overview of the room. We have our basic safety features. We got a peephole. This is a magnetic do not disturb, mechanical door latch, mechanical deadbolt. And this is the map of the hotel. The lobby is over here. We're around here, all the way in the back. There's nobody really anywhere close by to us, so hopefully it'll be quiet. And it's all the general hotel rooms, hotel rules for Florida. So looking around the room, one of the first things I always notice when I walk into a hotel room is bad sheetrock work, where the walls have been damaged, the ceiling's been damaged, the tub upstairs overflowed and rained down into the room. And I don't see bad sheetrock work in here. The ceiling's in really good condition. Either this place has been consistently well maintained or it's been recently redone. Looking at the furniture, this stuff looks brand new. The edges aren't chipped up. There's no scuffs. We chose this place because it was very highly rated, and I can see why. I mean, the smoke alarm hasn't even turned yellow up here. So we get this love seat here, which is a pull-out, so you could sleep a third person or a kid or whatever. A little coffee table. We get a tall lamp over there in the corner. Lamps on either side of the bed. Each of the lamps has 2 outlets on both sides of the bed. We get a telephone. We get an old-style alarm clock. This little cubby here. We got the Bible and guest directory. They do have breakfast in the morning. This is a king-size bed. We get 4 pillows. And the bed seems really soft, and I'm hoping it is because I want to get a good night's sleep tonight. Okay, we get a top sheet here, a duvet, and then a bottom sheet. And then I'm going to guess the pillows seem all about the same. And The mattress is fully encased in a mattress protector that stretches over the top. And then there's another mattress protector under it that seems to be one of the entire mattress is in it. So the mattress is well protected. Over here we get a decent sized television, this seems about right for the size of the room. We have a microwave. The turntable is on its track. Clock's not set, but we get 3 drawers here for putting clothes in. And we get a fridge. And the fridge is cold. Seems like it's a little rickety the way it's in here, but it's a cold fridge. And we get a full-length mirror. So the bathroom is right here through this door. And I'm going to guess that this has been modified because the way these hotels were all set up is there would have been an open door here, and then this would have been a closed wall with another door going into the room with the toilet and the shower. And it's been modified. I think I like the way it's modified. So we get a big mirror, well lit. We got a sink here, hot and cold running water. They give us a facial bar, some lotion, shampoo, and conditioner, ice bucket and cups. And here's the place to store stuff and hangers, a luggage rack, an ironing board, and this is a hair dryer, laundry bag. Over here we get a stand-up shower, and I see a little bit of water issues in here, but nothing really bad. I mean, I've seen worse at the Hilton. And the toilet. No brand name on the toilet. Got an assortment of towels up here and bath mat. So I'm not seeing hand towels. I do have a makeup mirror over there. Oh, these are, okay, washcloths. Okay, so these are hand towels, these are washcloths, and then we get bath towels. So, but everything seems clean. There's some kind of little stain on the wall here, but I mean, for the most part, everything is clean here. I don't see anything disgusting. Actually have a working powered exhaust fan here. So I think we got a decent room for $105, and can understand why this hotel is so highly rated. So here's an addendum to the bathroom. Forgot to check out the shower, and the shower has a really nice flow. It's a decent shower head, and it's got a good flow, so got to show that. And also wanted to mention that these towels, while they're kind of thin because this is a budget hotel, so they have to cut costs somewhere. Although the towels are thin, the towels were really fluffy, like they use some kind of good fabric softener when they dry them. So even though they're thin, they were really, they worked really well. They were really good towels. They were good for drying hair, and there's no complaints about any of this. But we're going to conclude the video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you've subscribed. Leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.